this video, we are going to see what is cluster computing. Introduction. A cluster computer is a group of tightly coupled computers that work together closely so that it can be viewed as a single computer. Clusters are commonly connected through fast local area networks. That is, a cluster computer is nothing but a group of computers that are connected together and that can be viewed in a single computer. Different types of clusters: high performance cluster, load balancing cluster, high availability cluster. High performance cluster. High performance cluster is a collection of many separate servers called nodes which are connected through fast internet. Load balancing cluster. It allows this cluster deliver load balancing performance, commonly used with a busy file transfer protocol and web servers with a large client base. Large number of nodes or to share. High availability cluster. This requires at least two nodes, that is a primary and a backup. Always with redundancy. Almost all balancing cluster with a high availability capability. Issues to be considered is cluster networking, cluster software, programming, timing, network selection, speed selection. Cluster networking. In cluster networking, if we are mixing hardware that has a different networking technologies, there will be large differences in the speed. That is, data will be accessed and how individual nodes can communicate. Cluster software. You will have to build versions of clustering software for each kind of system you include in your cluster. Programming. Our code will have to return to support the lowest common denominator for data types supported by the least powerful node in our cluster. That is, in mixed machines, the more the powerful machines will have attributes that cannot be attained in powerful machine. Timing. This is the most problematic aspect of cluster. Different performance profile our code will execute different rate on different kinds of nodes. Network selection. There are a number of different kinds of network topologies, including buses, cubes of various degrees, grids, measures. These network topologies will be implemented by the use of one or more network. Then speed selection. Speed selection is the availability of high speed computers has also forced the development of high speed network system. Conclusion. Clusters are promising solve parallel processing paradox. New trends in hardware and software technologies are likely to make clusters. Clusters based supercomputers can be seen everywhere.